So I'm in a 2017 Chevy Equinox. Instead I'm going to shoot open the hood. So first from the driver's side here, we'll go down to this lever. We'll pull the release. If you can hear that pop, that was the safety releasing. If you can see here, there's a cable that's attached to this as well. If that cable's loose or not attached for some reason, that's something you need to address. But now you should see that the hood's slightly loose. So go up to the front, and around in here, there it is. So there's a lever we're going to push this way and then lift. It's got this nice little hydraulic lift to hold the hood up. This is what that lever looked like we were pushing. So double check nothing's bent, there's no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. If it's really sticking, you might need some WD-40 to loosen it more. And that's where it's hooked onto here. Again, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment. So if this doesn't close straight, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.